guess what day it is? Seed planting day. Got my biotone. Got my helpers. And we're ready. So I've decided to make bed 2 into a purple bed. So I'm gonna do a little cleanup in here. Right now I have some Swiss chard, some bok choy. I'm gonna leave all this. These are some salvias that are popping back. I just had to trim the old dead brush off. Looks like I still have a little Malabar spinach in here. So we'll see what that does. I'm gonna plant a little bit more. Gonna do some eggplant, some purple bush beans, and a couple purple flowers. So let's get started. You ready? These are all some of my squirrel contraptions, which aren't doing anything. Little pointy broken pots. You can see they're digging a hole. I'll probably put the Malabar spinach over here because it gets a bit more shade. And then I'll do the bush beans over here. Do some Johnny jump ups in the front and some eggplants probably in the back. And I may throw in a couple extra things. I'm not sure, but I really like this to be more of like a purple bed. I'll maybe even put some more salvias in here. Every time I record, I swear, I get a plane coming over here. Anyways, so in this bed, the miracles are doing really good. The snow peas are starting to come up. Seeing what the carrots are, they're getting there. My dill, I took this out of the hydroponics, so it's trying to revive itself. It looks like I'm getting some new growth, so happy with that. The onion seeds are doing awesome. Way better than they do in the hydroponic. I did plant a lemon cucumber as well to get going over the trellis. Some more, another marigold. That's beautiful flowers. We got a huge heavy rainstorm last night. Not sure how much we got. I'll have to go check the rain gauge. And I've actually got the girls out, so I need to go check on them because they love eating my garden. 1, 2. That's my one is not doing so great. Where are the other 2? Rain gauge, we got right around 1.5 inches last night. So, not too, oh, there's the other 2. Okay, good. Hey girls, how you doing? Okay, you watching out for squirrels? All right, good job. Okay, back to bed 2. So anyways, I'm debating on just straight planting it into the garden or starting in the hydroponics. So I think I may do both. Do a little experiment and see what works. You get Nancy, my pride and joy. All right, so let's get started. And here is what's gonna go in those beds. I may do a traditional eggplant. I just planted one in my tomato bed yesterday, so I'm not sure. I did get this other one, a piccolo eggplant. It's got purple and white. It's really pretty, so I kind of want to put that one in there. The zinnia I'm going to put out by the peach tree, along with some New Zealand spinach. I just planted one. Apparently they get huge, so I'm just going to start out with one and see how it does. And these are the things I'm going to plant in my purple bed. So I'm going to do a piccolo eggplant, Johnny jump up, some salvia, and royal burgundy bush bean. So I write on my little plant stick what it is, and then I'm gonna go ahead and write the date on the back. Today is Valentine's Day, actually. So I'll put the date on the back so I kind of have an idea of when these were planted, because I just throw stuff in all the time. I'm gonna do these yellow pear tomatoes. I'm kind of debating on doing those in my raised bed number 3, but I may do them in these planters that I have right here. and just kind of have them drape over. I think it'll look really pretty. So we'll probably try a couple of those as well. I did just plant some sweet corn in pots yesterday. So we'll see how long that takes to germinate. But yeah, excited. We are way past our frost date, or I think we only had 1 or 2 frost days this year. So just trying to play it a little safe and waiting, but I'm getting anxious. I'm ready to plant. So even if I have to plant some stuff in a pot and get going, that's kind of what I'm gonna do.